Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepare Camping, and today I'm looking at yet another cook set. I have several cook sets, as frequent viewers will know, but this is a new one. This is by a company called Shayson, which I believe are a Chinese company, and this is a set designed for backpackers. And it claims that it's for 1 to 2 people, although I think it's probably more of a solo set. It's quite small really. So let's open it up and let's see what's inside. This is what you get in the pot. Just take the lid away for 1 second. Here we have this little black carry bag. This is what contains our folding cutlery set. And you get a full set with this, a knife, a fork and a spoon. Obviously this is the first time I've opened this, so as you can see they're all individually wrapped in their own little plastic bags. So you fold the handle out and then you just slide this tab up and that locks it in place. And I've got to say that they're a good size. That's quite reasonable. That, although the knife here, the blade is very very thin, very small, but it's got a bit of an edge. So yeah, it'll do the job. The lid has got these holes here for letting the steam out, which is pretty good. Little fold over handle. Inside we have a little flannel cloth for cleaning up, which is handy. Not many camping sets gives you one of them. A small cup, and because obviously it's metal and it hasn't got a handle to stop you burning your hands, they've got this little silicone sleeve to give you a bit of insulation, which is nice. Gives you a bit of grip then as well, actually, so that's good. And now the main pot itself. Oh, it's got this top bail. Doesn't lock, unfortunately, but it'll still do the job. And these fold out handles. So yeah, you're not going to burn your hands with them. And markings on the inside there for measuring out your liquids. As you can see here, the main pot is 12 centimeters tall by 9 centimeters in diameter and holds 750 milliliters. The cup is a bit smaller, obviously, at 350 milliliters. Now, it's a great little pot, but I think it could be better. So, if you're using this to heat up water for tea or something like that, pouring it off the edge here is going to be a bit tricky. If they just added a little spout, it would be much more controllable. Another improvement would be to the lid. You can see on this larger pot I've got here that the fold over handle always stays off the surface of the lid. So you'll always be able to get something underneath it to lift it up. Whereas the one that's on this pot, it folds completely flat. But all in all, it's a nice little set. This is available on Amazon for just under £20. I'll put a link in the description below. As ever guys, I'd like to hear what you think, and drop me a comment, or you can contact me on social media as always. Until next time, take care.